Hey, Zenobia, I'm going through your site here. I like that you put the work on one page. However, you've got two of the same thing here. You know, if you feel it looks better on white, then just have the white one. And instead of having it sort of show up at the same size, consider zooming in and showing a close up of like this dense creative area. So, just like people do in Behance, like I told you about. It's great that, and then the other thing is, I like how you have the entire thing here so the art director can take a good look at it. And these are two very distinct templates, like a iPad and then um, a poster, but these all sort of look the same. So consider at least doing one that shows the poster a little closer and then just a white one. All right, so those look good. Those work fine. It was something here. Yeah, this stops working, so that one doesn't work. These don't work. I was going to suggest too, if you've got a dark drop shadow on here, consider taking it out, because that's considered a dated look. That was really big when computers came out, the black drop shadow default that comes in Photoshop. At the very least, change the color of the drop shadow. Black is the default. So consider, you've got this dark tree, maybe you want it to have a warm sort of glow. So experiment a little bit with color if you like the drop shadow. But anyway, those other things don't work. And then I'm not seeing these don't pop up. You got to keep on working on it. Let me know if you have any questions.